All right, guys, we're doing another Stevie Wonder lesson series. This is Make Sure You're Sure. We just did Never in Your Sun. That was a lot of fun. So a double Stevie Wonder lesson series today. Let's hear this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't that a cool chord at the end? Dun, dun. Jazzy. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. Part one's right here, in a minute right here, we're about to do it. All the lessons for this all the way through, every cool jazz chord, I'll hold your hand all the way through and teach you the whole thing. webpianoteacher.com. And as I said, we just did Never in Your Sun, so if you like Stevie Wonder, I think I have some other Stevie Wonder lessons on the side as well that I've done over the past 12 years and counting. Well over 5,000 lessons on there, a wealth of information and lessons for you guys. Truly a lifetime of music on there for you. But let's get started here with this part one. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So it's in 6, 8, but there are a lot of spaces in there, lots of held notes. And so you can kind of miss that 6, 8 if you're not really listening. But we'll start with G sharp, B on the right. And then we'll go to C sharp minor, E, G sharp, C sharp, left hand on a C sharp octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the G sharp. Count 6 will be a B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll do this, which will be F sharp, D sharp in the left. Guys, if these lessons here are too advanced for you, oh man, this is too hard. Well, it's maybe because you're trying something too difficult for your level. I have beginner lessons on the site, 79 of them if you're a complete beginner, or if you just need a refresher course, or if you just need to get used to my method. And then once you get the hang of it, the feel of it, then these will just flow, quickly for you. But anyway, that next measure, A, C sharp, D sharp, left hand on F sharp and D sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G sharp, B again there, and then back to C sharp minor, like we did right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a high C sharp and a low C sharp in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The B on the right hand. Then we do this again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then another G sharp B. All right. Just to get that rhythm down, let's start all over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have the C sharp minor again. 1, 2, 3, 5, and then count 6 G sharp and C sharp. We have that little flip again, like we've had several times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 C sharp to B. And the last measure up there, 1, 2, and then he kind of goes to, instead of da 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 da, there's 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 1 and 2. Kind of. More straight eighth notey sound here. So we have the C sharp minor chord and then G sharp, C sharp in the left, then right hand G sharp, E, then we're all down here, we stay down here. And then E, G sharp up high, so da, 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 da. It almost was like 4, 4 there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and na, na. Let's take a listen to that chord. If you just sit down at the piano and go, you automatically sound like a genius, don't you? But C, E, F sharp, B, left hand on G sharp, F sharp, and then C, D, F sharp, A, left hand on G sharp, F sharp. Da, da. And then we begin and Stevie starts singing in a way that no one else will ever be able to sing, so I won't even try. But let's do the whole thing from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And then we begin the verse right there. Hope you guys enjoyed that part one and got something out of it. And I'll see you on the website, webpianoteacher.com, and we'll finish it up. Talk to you later.